Hi guys! Today, I just want to talk about something na ang bigat sa puso. Alam niyo yung mga love story na sinubaybayan natin mula umpisa? Yung tipong from kilig moments sa reality show hanggang sa naging real life na talaga. Isa doon sila McCoy De Leon at Elise Houston. Yes, confirm na. Break na sila. Grabe, parang ang hirap paniwalaan. Lalo na for fans like us na nakita kung paano nila pinaglaban yung relasyon nila. From being kilig pa more to becoming a family to raising their daughter Feliz. Sobrang daming pinagdaanan. Pero eto nga, Elise recently posted a heartfelt message and I just wanna read a part of it kasi ang bigat pero ang ganda rin. My biggest dream in life has always been to build a family I could call mine, a home that dream shape us. Guys, ang sakit no? I mean, hindi lahat ng love story nagtatapos sa happy ending na ini-imagine natin. But it doesn't mean it wasn't beautiful. Ang totoo, pinaglaban nila. We both held on for as long as we could. Pero minsan kahit gaano pa katibay ang kapit niyo, kung hindi na talaga healthy, kung hindi na kayo lumalago together, kailangan din natin matutong bitawan. And I respect that. Kasi ang hirap nun, especially when there's a child involved. Pero Elise said it best. Letting go doesn't mean we failed, because what we had was real, and it gave us the greatest gift, our Feliz. Girl, that line hit hard, kasi ang dami sa atin, iniisip kapag naghiwalay ang magulang, may mali agad, may nagkulang, pero hindi palaging ganun. Sometimes, letting go is also love. Yung pagbitaw, hindi dahil napagod lang, pero dahil gusto nyo piliin ang kapayapaan para sa sarili at higit sa lahat para sa anak nyo. Ang pinaka nakaka-touch, my family belongs to me, sabi ni Feliz. And yes, kahit ano pang mangyari, Elise will always be her mommy. McCoy will always be her daddy. That kind of love doesn't disappear. So if you're someone na dumaan din sa ganito, sa separation, sa letting go, remember, hindi ka bawasan sa yun. Hindi ka palpak. You love, you tried, and sometimes that's enough. So today, let's not spread hate. Let's not throw speculations. Let's hold space for this kind of love story too. Yung hindi man nagkatuluyan, pero pinili pa rin maging mabuting magulang. Pinili pa rin ang respeto sa isa't isa. McCoy and Elise, thank you for being brave. Thank you for showing us na may dignidad pa rin ang pagbitaw at may pagmamahal pa rin kahit tapos na. This isn't the end. It's just a new beginning. So, ano na pangyayari kay Feliz? Yan din ang una kong inisip. Pero ang reassuring sa statement nila is this. No matter how life changes, we will always belong to her. Nakakaiyak pero ang comforting pakinggan. They may no longer be together as partners, pero they're choosing to still be parents together. Walang hate, walang drama, just choosing what's best for their daughter. And honestly, that's not a failed relationship. That's growth. That's maturity. Bakit nga ba nauuwi sa hiwalayan kahit may anak na? Alam mo, minsan kasi akala natin enough na ang anak para manatili. Pero real talk, hindi sapat na may anak kayo kung pareho na kayong hindi masaya. Hindi na healthy ang relationship or hindi na kayo pareho sa direksyong tinatahak. Love isn't just staying. Sometimes love is also letting go para hindi kayo tuluyang masira, lalo na sa harap ng anak niyo. So dapat pa bang maniwala sa love? Yes, 1,000 times yes. Hindi dahil may naghiwalay, wala ng pag-asa ang love. What McCoy and Elise had was love, but sometimes seasons it end, and you don't have to be bitter about it. Instead, be grateful for what it was, learn from it, and be open to new beginnings. Sa panahon ngayon, ang daming toxic na breakups, ang daming awayan, ungkadan, pabayan ng receipts sa social media, pero ito kina McCoy at Elise, tahimik, magalang, may respeto. Parang sinasabi nila, oo, nag-end kami, pero hindi kami nag-away. Sana all ganito. Kaya sa mga nanonood ngayon na dumaan sa breakup, may pinipilit pa rin relasyon o hindi alam kung bibitaw o lalaban. Here's what I learned. Kung ang pagmamahal ay may kasamang respeto, paglaya at kapayapaan, minsan yun ang tunay na happy ending. Kung relate ka or may gusto kang i-share about love, family, or letting go, comment mo lang below. Gusto ko marinig ang kwento nyo. Don't forget to like, share, and follow kung gusto mo pa ng mga ganitong vlogs.